SBA 7A is designed for working capital like purchasing a business, unpaid accounts receivable, equipment, machinery, and commercial real estate improvements. SBA 504 is designed for commercial real estate acquisition, refinancing, and improvements. In this video, I'll do a deep dive into the SBA 7A and 504 loans so that you could understand if either of these loans are going to be right for you. Now, it's important to understand that the Small Business Administration does not lend directly to borrowers. They guarantee business loans that banks extend to people like you and I. So if you're seeking an SBA loan, here is a list of the top 5 SBA lenders in the United States. Number 1, Newtek Small Business Finance. Number 2, Live Oak Bank. Number 3, Huntington National Bank. Number 4, Ready Capital. And number 5, US Bank. Now, all links to these lenders will be in the description box below. However, before you start clicking on those links, please watch this video to the very end so that you have a full understanding of how SBA loans work before you start applying. What type of SBA loans are available? The most popular SBA loan programs are going to be the 7A loan program, 504 loan program, and SBA micro loans. However, for this video, I'm going to focus on the 7A and 504 loan program. If you want me to talk more about the micro loan program, do me a favor and comment the word micro in the comment section below. Now, the SBA 7 loan is designed for working capital of an existing business, but it also can be used for acquiring or refinancing commercial real estate, tenant build out and improvements of commercial real estate, the purchase of a profitable existing business, refinancing current business debt, the purchase and installation of machinery and equipment including furniture, fixtures, and supplies, and even to supplement unpaid accounts receivable from vendors. And the 504 loan is primarily reserved for commercial real estate and not working capital of an existing business, but it can be used for consolidating business debt under certain circumstances. Now, SBA lending does favor certain businesses over others, so here is a list of common businesses that SBA likes to fund. If commercial real estate is involved, then SBA likes to fund medical, dental, and vet offices, industrial and manufacturing, warehouse and distribution, automotive businesses like body shops, mechanics, and oil change facilities, daycare and adult care centers, and certain franchises in the restaurant, hotel, motel, and gas station industries. And if commercial real estate is not involved, then SBA lenders will extend business loans for the purchase of existing businesses, partner buyout, equipment and machinery including vehicles and trucks, inventory, and raw materials. What are the eligibility requirements for an SBA loan? Now, to be eligible for an SBA loan, you must currently be in business or you must be in the pursuit of purchasing a profitable business. Now, the key word is profitable because all SBA loans require collateral in one way or another. A personal guarantee, a UCC filing on the business, and debt service verified via tax returns are all things that you'll encounter when taking out an SBA loan. Now, SBA loans are full doc loans, meaning in order to demonstrate your ability to repay, the SBA lender will require the following documentation. If you're applying as a sole proprietorship, be prepared to submit 3 years of personal tax returns, a schedule of your personal and business debt, and a current year-to-date profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. And if you're applying as an LLC or a corporation, be prepared to submit 3 years of business tax returns, a schedule of business debt, current profit and loss statements, and a balance sheet, and company documents like articles of incorporation, formation documentation, and a certificate of good standing. And also on SBA 7A loans, the lender might require you to put a second or third lien on your primary residence as collateral. Again, SBA loans require collateral in one way or another, so be prepared and ready if you plan on applying. How long does it take to get an SBA loan? SBA loan funding can range anywhere from 30 days to a few months. So if you are in need of quick capital for your business, unfortunately, SBA might not be the right fit for you. Now, there are many reasons why SBA loans take so long to fund. For example, if you're using an SBA loan to purchase commercial real estate, a great deal of due diligence will need to take place first. From getting the commercial building inspected and appraised to doing a land survey or even soil survey to check for contaminants, a lot of things need to be checked off before the SBA lender will issue funds. And if you're purchasing in an existing business, the underwriter will need to verify the seller's tax returns in order to confirm the business's cash flow. And if you're unable to collect the seller's tax returns, then the underwriter or processor will need to step in and collect all the necessary documentation. But one of the primary reasons why SBA loans take so long to fund or not even fund at all is because of the lender. Not all lenders are created the same, and just because a lender offers an SBA loan doesn't mean they know how to close one. So if you desire an SBA loan, I highly recommend that you find a lender that specializes in SBA, because this will help you close fast and get the necessary funds that you need for your business. Again, I put together a list of the top 5 SBA lenders in the United States by loan volume. So if you want to get your loan funded and closed, definitely check out those lenders. They will be in the description box below, but those are the lenders that you should target for SBA funding. Just expect the process to take some time, and take note of the documentation that an SBA lender will require from you and the seller if you plan on buying a business. How much can I borrow with an SBA loan? Loan amounts are guaranteed up to $5 million for SBA 7A and 504. Again, debt service is verified via tax returns, so your business's cash flow would determine how much you could borrow through the SBA program. Now, if you're seeking $1 million or more, most lenders will want real estate involved. And if there isn't real estate involved, then the business will need strong financials in order to cover the debt. The Small Business Administration considers their funds as a last case scenario for a business. So if you can't show the ability to repay and have strong financials, then SBA funds will be hard to obtain. Now again, if commercial real estate isn't involved, then cash flow is going to be king. The lender will ask for your personal tax returns if your business or the commercial space has no cash flow. And if your personal tax returns show little to no income, then SBA funds will be next to impossible. Sorry guys, I just want to hammer this home that SBA funds are going to be personally guaranteed and secured by cash flow, commercial real estate, and even your personal residential real estate. Now this may not be applicable to smaller loan amounts as well as micro loans. So again, if you want me to create a video about micro loans, do me a favor and comment the word micro in the comment section below. What are the interest rates and terms for SBA loans? At the time of this video, the SBA 7A loan is available as a variable and fixed rate loan. Variable rates range from 10.5 to 14% depending on the loan amount and term, and fixed rates range from 12.5 to 15.5%. The 504 interest rates are fixed for up to 25 years with an approximate rate of 6.24%. A 20-year term has an approximate rate of 6.31%, and a 10-year term is floating around 6.34%. SBA 7A loans also go up to 25 years as far as a term if commercial real estate is involved with the acquisition or refinance. If you're using the SBA 7A loan for working capital with no real estate involved, then the term decreases to 7 to 10 years. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, the terms and interest rates could be way off. So the simple way to determine what the starting rate will be on the 7A loan is by Googling the prime rate and adding 2 points or 2 percentage points on top of the prime rate. And for SBA 504 loan, if you Google the term federal funds rate or current Fed funds rate, all you have to do is add 2 points on top of the Fed funds rate, and that will get you the starting rate for the 504 loan. This might not be accurate to your situation, but this is a great place to start if you're watching this video in the future and you're wondering where the starting rates will be for the 7A and 504 loan. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you're enjoying content just like this, do me a favor and let me know by smashing that like button. And if you want to see more videos just like this, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. Now I do have more videos coming out very soon about SBA loans, so when they do come out, I'll post them right here so that you could easily view them. My name is Art Smith, MLS number 2013410, and if you're in need of funding, I will post a few links in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, and I'll catch you on the next video. Goodbye for now.